Ich habe es noch nicht gesehen.
Look. Hello my dear friends and welcome to another episode of Darko Tattoo. My friend and client Stefan moved to a big house. So his parents bought this and renovated, and now he has his own apartment, and he wants a nice mural. It's gonna be a big phoenix with red and yellow and orange and fire, maybe a blue background. And he asked me if I could do this, and I said yes, why not? And so let's go and do this.
Picking the colors, picking the brushes, picking the colors. Oh, here is a sexy package. It's for an unboxing the next time. Yeah, boy.
Oh, hi, Isopod. So he's not around the corner. I have to drive about 25 minutes through mountains and forests. Oh my goodness, where am I going? Look at those streets through the jungle. Holy guacamole.
So that's the house. Oh, La Chico. Yes, he left the door open for me.
Okay. That's it, what I'm gonna do. Oh, sexy. He prepared it for me. With this cover up here. Nice foil, and that's the wall I'm gonna do. So I would say don't waste so much time and let's do this. Let's start with sketching the head.
I was looking at the wall for a while, and then suddenly the idea for the phoenix and the proportions came in my mind. So, and that's the final pencil sketch. The pencil were messed up. I hope you can recognize something here. The feathers from the tail and the claws, and here the part of the wing, and there is the head. Yes, I think this will come out good. So, and let's prepare the acrylics. I forgot my piece of wood at home, and so I took just this little bag. So let's start with painting. I always start with a bake when I do some birds, and yeah, but somehow I didn't like it and I repainted. This is the cool thing with acrylics, that you can overpaint the layers again and again, and yeah, because they dry very fast.
Relaxing music for meditating. And let's go continue with working.
I must say, my dear friends, this is really my first time ever I'm painting a bird huge like this. It's the first time I paint a mural ever. I always wanted to do this, and I'm very happy I have this chance that Stefan, my friend, had trust in me for doing this. Yeah, that really makes tired. I'm really not used to stand the whole day. I'm always sitting, but it was good. A little bit workout. I need more of this.
Now let's make just a little break and eat something. and drink some delicious Evian water. Oh yeah, that's a really nice apartment, dude. Look at this Serbian stuff. Okay. So let's continue with working.
So let's mix in some darker red so you can see the feathers better. So, and now I need a little bit of blue for some nice little contrasts.
Oh yeah,
Delicious. Somehow I liked this blue stuff, and why not make more blue things? So now I put a little bit from the blue, this kind of tribal stuff, so not everything is just
red and yellow. What do you think? I would say the bird is finished with the acrylics, and so now the time has come for some Posca Markers.
And I must say, my dear friends, this was very satisfying to do these lines. Very sexy lines. And yeah, I messed up this Posca marker in the end because the structure of the wall, maybe you can see it a little bit, the nib was destroyed in the end. But it was absolutely worth it, my dear friends. And yeah, my friend Stefan was working all the time. Everything took me about... Oh, he's coming. Hello.
Hello? Good.
Yes, success. He likes it very much. He didn't imagine something like this, but he's very happy. And yeah, I saw in his face that he is very happy. So let's sign it, and that's it. Maybe you wouldn't believe me, but everything took me about 4 hours. Somehow I was very fast. I made just one little break for eat and drink something. Maybe 2 little breaks, but I didn't record the second break. So you see, it was very difficult to record the whole piece at once because it's very little space here and very tight. But yeah, I'm very happy with this, how it came out, and definitely I would like to do more stuff like this. What do you think, guys? Write in the comments below and leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. This would be nice. Write in the comments, what should I draw next? Dracula.
So, my dear friends, I know now you are very curious about this huge package on my back seat. And because you subscribed to my channel and gave me the thumbs up, I will do the unboxing now for you. It's another box! Oh, whoa. This is dangerous. This is dangerous. Are you ready, guys? Holy guacamole. So maybe you recognize this sword. Oh my goodness. This is sharp. It's a real. This is a real one. Oh wow. This is amazing, dudes. And look at here, it's a nice stand too. Now, one close up for you. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, look at all those details. The sword from Alita Battle Angel. The Damascus sword. It's kinda Damascus patterns. Oh my god, look at this. Looks just breathtaking. Breathtaking, my friends. Something new in my sexy Alita collection. Oh yeah! And here with the stand, I really need more place for this stuff, my dear friends, because now it's everything mixed together. Kind of Star Wars and Harleys. Here's Alita. The Alita stuff is here with another Harley Quinn, and of course Alita stuff is here, and Alita stuff is here. See you next time, my dear friends. Peace out.